Okay, we're hot. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the Bermuda Triangle of the Zoom channel. Obviously, we had some technical difficulties, which Pat's fixed. Today is June 1, 2021. This is our County Court at Law number 6 and Bexar County Veterans Treatment Court arraignment docket. You can avoid our arraignment dockets in the future if you do 3 things for me. Number 1, get in contact with your client and know how to get up with them, and or let Pat know that you cannot get in contact with your client. After you're in contact with your client, receive an offer from the state. If you just call them or email them, they'll be happy to send you an offer. And at that point in time, and you've had time to confer with your client and look at all the evidence, let us know what you need to do. If you need a jury trial, let Pat know. If you have a plea agreement going, let Pat know. Anyway, that's the way to avoid our arraignment. For those of you that cannot avoid arraignment, welcome to arraignment docket. Have we got Robert Dittman with us today?
You do.
Hi, sir. All present on account of me, sir.
With the promotion party. Aren't you Commander Dittman now?
Well, again, sir, talk to the commander in chief. I don't have a billet yet. If they gave me a billet, I'll make 05 immediately. Although, sir, I will tell you, I just returned from a 4-day deployment. We used all the TA-50 and 782 gear, and my wife enjoyed it. So we're going this month. We're probably going to next month. We're going to our next deployment, so it'll be fun.
All right. Well, thanks for your service. Tell
Hi,
me
sir.
about Edward Kent Foster. Are you in touch with Mr. Foster?
Yes, we are.
Yes, sir.
And have you received an offer from the state?
No, sir, we have
No,
not.
sir, we have not.
State, can you email an offer to Mr. Dittman?
Yes, Judge.
Can you copy
And
Mr.
Mr.
Hicks, please?
Yeah, and that would be a good idea. Copy Mr. Hicks.
Yes, Judge.
And let's reset for a week for them to do that on Mr. Foster. Y'all have some other folks. You've got Brian Swanigan. Are you in touch with Mr. Swanigan?
I have
We
no
are.
contact with Mr. Swanigan. What about you, Bob?
I am.
Excellent. Okay, he does. I don't.
Good. Have you received an offer from the state on Mr. Swanigan's case?
However, Mr. Flanagan has a felony which is arising out of the same transaction. And we request to reset on that so I can find out what the felony people are doing.
Right.
State, you know anything about the felony on Mr. Swanigan?
Not at this moment, Judge, unless Nick knows something.
Let's reset that one for 2 weeks, Bob, to give you all time to figure it out. Will that work?
Sure.
Aye, sir.
All right, good on that
I
one. Y'all got
think the
anybody
most
else?
press is probably going to be forthcoming.
Have y'all got anybody else today?
No.
All
Yes,
right,
sir. We're
y'all
done.
are dismissed. Thanks for your help.
Aye,
Your
aye,
Honor,
sir.
Your Honor,
Fine, if you're logged on, you're excused. Edward, you too.
Your Honor,
Yeah,
my name is Jacob Casanova. I was told by my attorney that I had court today, and they barely told me today. They told me to log in on this Zoom meeting.
And I'm here for you, Mike.
Okay, I'm Jacob Casanova.
Okay,
Jacob Casanova.
okay, your attorney, the judge is talking to your attorney, just listen,
Okay,
and your attorney speaks to him, okay? All right,
okay, let me continue with our listing. I've got Suzanne Kramer here. Suzanne, what's going on with Lawrence Shelley?
Judge, I don't know if this is going to matter to the state, but I just emailed them this is a selling alcohol to a minor case. And he took a class sponsored by TABC. So they probably don't know that they've got it in their email, but they do a certificate of a class they completed. If that might facilitate this thing along a better path than we started out on.
State, you know anything about this case yet?
Yes, Judge. I got the certificate. I just haven't conferred with defense yet.
All
And
right,
again, Judge, this is also the case where I'm really not sure what to do. The police report says there's video, but Alexis has really diligently, or Nick, but I think Alexis tried to find a video, and she says that the TABC people say there is no video. However, the police report clearly says that the alcohol transaction to the minor was recorded on video. So there's that problem. So I thought maybe if I got on the certificate, that might help make their decision for them.
State, you think there's a video you can find? There may have been a video at one time, but we're dealing with TABC.
Judge, I've had my investigator reach out to them multiple times, and they keep telling me the same thing, that the video doesn't exist.
Well, let's assume there is no video. If one shows up, Suzanne would be very happy to see it. But if there is no video, can you make her a sweetheart deal that accounts for the state losing their video?
Yeah,
Yes.
because I mean, the state didn't do it, but the police report clearly references it. So at some point in time, a video is being recorded. Well, you know what I mean.
Yeah,
I mean, in terms of that.
Okay, so let's reset that one for a week to let y'all figure that out. But my theory is that they've lost the video and they don't want to tell you about it. So that's
Yeah.
And Suzanne, you've got someone named Vicente Perez.
I do. And Judge, I've been trying, the last time we were here, I was telling the state, and maybe they've done it since then, that I didn't have the dash cam video. Now, I have not been able to access e-discovery for the last 2 days. It just won't let me on. I mean, lets you on, but then you can't get into any of the cases. To look to see if they had uploaded a dash cam on Pettis. So I do not know if they have.
They've got a video on a handgun case. That's kind of unusual.
Well, it's the stop, and he's complaining about the stop. So yeah.
Okay, state, is there a video on this one that you're aware of?
Most likely, Judge. If it's not there, then I'll request it again.
And I just,
you can't tell if it's there. Can you just we'll give you a week to look at your website and see if it's posted, and then maybe coordinate with Suzanne and help her get in where she can get to it. Would that work?
Yes, Judge.
All right.
and Wayne, I'm sorry, just before you went on to the next case, I wanted to remind you, I don't want to do it now because these are off docket. I don't want to delay everybody else, but I wanted to talk to you about those cases that I emailed you about earlier today.
Tell me briefly what we're talking about again.
Okay, well, I hate to jump in front of everybody, but on 2 cases, Domingo Moreno is not doing well. His wife has called me and they had to transfer him back into the mental health pod at the jail. And she really wants him back in Laurelwood. She thinks just being in the jail is making him worse. So I wanted to talk to you about that. Madeline Ramirez was a girl that had a DWI. She picked up another DWI. So I got a violation report on the first DWI showing that the bond was continued, but you were ordering ignition interlock. Then like the next day, both bonds on both cases got increased. And now, as far as I can tell, I know she's got a warrant on 2 cases because Pat told me, but the CC6 wasn't specific.
I've got it in an email, but send it to me. Just text it to me this afternoon. When this
Okay.
is over, I'll look at them and find out what's going on.
Okay.
All right.
And what about Domingo Moreno? Just some other day we can talk about that.
Text it to me this afternoon on my cell
Oh,
phone.
him too. Okay, on him too. Okay. All right. Thank
Thanks.
you. Bye.
Rose Zabel, are you with us today?
I am, Judge.
There you are. Talk to me about Francis Marie Mata.
I received an offer from Alexis earlier today, Judge, but I think we're going to need a jury trial setting on that case.
Need a set for jury trial. Okay, Pat, good
Yes.
over to you on that one.
Okay, I will send you the date probably tomorrow morning, if that's okay.
That sounds fine, Pat.
Thank you so much.
Okay, next one is Stephanie Alejandro.
Also mine. And I received an email from Nick a little while ago, Judge. I need to talk to my client about that.
Okay, have you got an offer then from Nick? Is that correct?
I did, yes.
And do you need a week or so to figure it out what you want to do?
Yes, please.
Let's reset that one week. And you've got Viviana Alvarez.
Yes, and Alexis emailed me an offer on that today, Your Honor, and I need about a week as well to talk to Ms. Alvarez about that.
That's the plan. We'll reset that one a week. And that's all I got for you. Do you have anybody else today?
No, Your Honor, that's all.
You're good. Thanks for your help. You're out of here.
Thank you.
You bet. Okay. Had Monica with us today.
I'm here for Monica Guerrero, Joseph
Okay.
Statesman.
Talk to me about Sean Clark.
Sean Clark should be here on Zoom.
is.
Monica, we have a JSAT offer. Monica's tried to do the plea paperwork through the jail court twice. We're just going to see, is there any chance we can potentially plead today?
No,
No,
it would be set for the 10th at 2.
June 10th, 2
Yes, I
p.m.
need his email address. Please email that to me.
Yes, got it. Thank you, Pat. I have one person for Joanne.
And
Yes,
who would that be?
Luis Avia.
I'm looking.
There's a hyphen, Luis Avia Garcia.
It's going to be under Joanne's name, correct?
Yes.
yes.
Got it. Luis Avila Garcia, correct?
Correct. We're in contact with him. We did not have an offer. And if Pat, you could note that he's a Spanish speaker only if there is a
Yes.
plea. we
Yes.
would- Okay.
So state needs to send you an offer and then y'all can figure out what you want to do. Would that be accurate?
Yes.
All right. State, if you send Judge Joanne an offer and we'll reset this one for a week.
All right. Thank you,
That's
Judge
it,
Nate. That's it.
All right. Thanks for your help. You're out of here.
Thank you.
Elva Trevino, are you with us today?
Yes, sir. I'm right here.
Talk to me about Andrea Tyra Sierra.
Well, I have not been able to find her. I have a contact phone number that I've been calling since last week. It rings twice and then it gets a busy signal. I've texted her, it receives the text. I've confirmed with Pat that that is the contact information the
Yes.
court also has. And I've not been able to make any contact with her at all.
All right, we're gonna have to issue an FTA warrant for her. If we find you, we'll let you know immediately. If you find her, let us know immediately. We'll recall the FTA warrant. Fair enough?
Fair enough, sir.
You got anybody else with us today?
That's
No.
it, Your Honor.
Thank
Your
you.
Honor, if I could have Mr. Casanova log off.
Intervention.
Sure, Mr. Casanova, you don't need to be with us today, but thanks very much. With your attorney's permission, you're cut loose.
Thank you.
Okay, Judge Mitchell, Russell, are you with us today?
I don't think so, Your Honor.
It's sunny. He's at the beach in Hawaii or somewhere. Okay. Let's see if we can find Russell eventually.
Okay.
And Jose Rocha, are you with us today?
Your Honor, that has been reset.
Okay. Ramuda Orta, are you with us today? Mr. Orta,
I don't think so, Your Honor. I don't see him as well.
Nathan Slimane, are you with us today?
I'm here, Judge. How are you?
Great, all good. Talk to me about Valerie Morellis, please.
We need an offer, Judge. I am in contact with her.
All right, state, please send them an offer on Valerie Morellis and we'll reset for 1 week for them to receive it and he can check with his client. And you've got Stephanie Torres.
Judge, I have an offer on her. I emailed a counter offer to Nick about a week ago and I didn't get a response. So we can just reset a week on that also.
Let's reset another week on that so y'all can fight it out.
Will do, Judge.
Do you have anybody else today?
No, sir.
All right, we're good. Thanks for your help. You're out of here.
Thank you, Judge.
Jeannie
Thanks,
Lewis,
Pat.
are you with us today?
I don't believe so, Your Honor.
Did you take Stephen again?
No, this is for Jeannie Bloomster. They have, he's going down the docket.
Andrew Del Cueto, are you with us today?
Good morning, Judge. It's Taylor Wood from Andrew's office.
Okay. What's going on with Pablo Cordova?
We're just waiting on the dash cam on this case still.
State, where's our dash cam?
I'll check on it, Judge, but at this moment, I don't know, as you know.
Let's reset a week to find the dash cam.
Sounds good. Thank you.
And is that the only one y'all have today?
Yes.
Y'all are slowing down on me. Okay. Thank you. You're out of here. Kyle Simpson, are you with us today?
Not yet, Your Honor, he is not.
Brian O'Donnell, are you with us today? Brian's always with us.
Yes.
Yes, Your Honor. I'm here on Jonathan Chavez.
Right.
We would need an offer, Judge.
State needs an offer on Jonathan Chavez, please, and we'll reset for a week for them to get it. And Brian, you've also got, looks like McLeod Gley, Gley.
Yes, Your Honor. I'm in contact with him. That's the case where we're waiting for a misdemeanor evading arrest to populate in the computer.
Yeah, and it's still not in the computer, Your Honor.
No, I checked this morning.
Nick, what's going on with the new case?
I filed this case, Judge, I don't know how long ago. I sent it down there and the last note on there says it's still with the intake prosecutor down there. I sent them an email this morning and I have not heard anything back.
All right, well, let's reset another week and you can harass them some more. Will that work?
Sounds good, Judge.
All right, okay with you, Brian?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you have anything, anybody else today, Brian?
I don't believe so, Judge.
All right, you're out of here. Thanks. David Cuellar, talk to me.
Sir, I'm present, Your Honor.
Okay, talk to me about Jonathan Huerta.
I need an offer on that one, Your Honor. I have contact with him.
Contact with him, correct?
I'm sorry?
You are in contact with him. If you
That's
call
correct.
me,
Yes, sir.
great. All right, need an offer on Jonathan Huerta, please state, and we'll reset this one for a week to get the offer out. And Dave, you've also got a Joe Franklin Clark, it looks like.
That's correct, Your Honor. We need an offer on that, and I'm in good contact with him.
Contact with him, correct?
Yes, sir.
All right. So state need an offer on Mr. Franklin Clark, it looks like. And we'll reset that one for a week. And you've got Sylvia Hernandez.
Correct.
And are you in contact with Ms. Hernandez?
I'm in contact with her.
Okay. Have you received an offer yet?
We have received an offer, and I'm still kind of trying to pin down on what direction we're going to go on that.
Okay, I apologize. I missed some of that last conversation. You're still waiting to do what? I'm sorry?
To figure out what exactly we want to do on that case.
How long will that take?
I don't think more than a week, Your Honor.
All right, just reset that one for a week.
Yes, sir.
Anybody else today, Dave?
That's it.
We're good. Thanks for your help. You're out of here.
Thank you, Judge.
Alma Benavides.
I'm here.
There you go. Talk to me about Josiah Morris, please.
I'm here on Tyrone Black.
Well, I've got Tyrone Black also, but I also have a Josiah, Josiah Morris.
I don't have one, Judge. I'll have to look up that paperwork.
All right, let's talk about Tyrone Black then.
So Alexis was going to let us know if they were going to file a second case or not. And that was the purpose of the reset.
I checked in with our chief because I was looking at the offense report, and for some reason it involved some type of FBI task force thing. So I was just seeing if I have the authority to even move forward on that one. So I sent an email and I have not received anything back.
What is the second case going to be if there is one?
UCW, Judge.
A second UCW?
Correct, Judge.
And Judge, the date of offense on both cases is 2 days apart, January 26th and January 28th.
That's correct, Judge.
All right. So state out, do you have any feel for how long it's going to take to figure out the second case?
As soon as I get an okay from, my boss, I can file it. I mean, obviously we know how filing issues are right now, but I mean, give me a week, Judge, just to figure out what's going on with my chief, and then I'll have an update next week.
We're going to give him another week to figure it out, and then let Alma know immediately, and we'll be good on that one. And Alma, you are in contact with Mr. Black, is that correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. And that's all I have for you, I think. Do you have anybody else today?
Well,
Morris.
On Josiah Morris, Alma's going to have to go track down.
Okay.
She's not aware of him at this time. Would that be correct, Alma?
That's right, Judge. Let me look for some paperwork. If I can find anything, I'll log back on.
We'll reset for a week, and if you figure something out today, just come on back and talk to us today. Otherwise, we'll talk to you. Okay?
All right. Thank you.
Brenda, I see you out there. Talk to me about Rosemary Diaz.
Hi, Judge. Okay. So yeah, I was appointed to this case late last year and I spoke with her in December, but then I guess I was using a landline. Anyway, your lovely coordinator provided me with her correct phone number. I'd been trying to call her on the other cases. Anyway, before on all the other settings, but I've gotten the discovery, I've gotten the lab report finally on the blood test, and I haven't gotten an offer yet. That's where we are.
All right. So have you spoken to Ms. Diaz since December?
She's on the Zoom.
She's what now? I'm sorry?
She's on the Zoom today.
Oh, she is. Well, I'll take care of that. Okay. So you need an offer. Is that correct?
Yes.
State, would you please fire off an offer for Ms. Levenstein, and we'll reset for a week for y'all to get that and talk about it. Okay?
Okay.
All right. We're good on that one. Do you have anybody else today, Bren?
I do not.
We're out of here. Thanks. Roy Burrow Jr., are you with us today?
Yes, sir. Good afternoon, Judge. I need an offer.
We need an offer on Tony Almeida, please state.
Yes, sir.
And we'll reset this one for a week, Roy. Is that okay?
Yes, sir.
And if you get it, information or figure out what else you want to do before that, just let Pat know.
Okay.
You have anybody else today, Roy, or is that it?
No, sir, that's it.
You're out of here. Thank you.
Thank you.
Patrick Montgomery, you're always with us.
Hey, Judge.
Talk to
How
me.
are you today? I've need an offer on Mr. Lieja, and I need a point of contact because the phone number that I got on the order of appointment goes to nowhere.
Pat, do we have any more contact information on Mr. Lieja than Patrick has?
I will look and see who his bondsman is, and
It's PR.
It's PR. I can
It's
send
PR.
you the supervisor's name,
Groovy.
phone number, and that way you can contact them and see if they have any other contact with him.
Thank you, ma'am. I do appreciate it.
If you can't find him, Patrick, if you can't find him in like 48 hours, let me know. I'm gonna have to issue a warrant for him, okay?
I'm sure that Pat's information will be helpful. Normally, if it's a commercial bondsman, I can just get it real easy, but when it's PR, it's not so easy.
Yeah, but I have a list of all the supervisors' email address and cell phone numbers, so I will get that to you, Pat.
Hey, if that's not top secret, send me the whole list and I'll post it to the SACLA website.
Let's reset that one for a week for y'all to try to find the defendant. Fair enough?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Thank you. May I be excused?
You bet. Thanks for your help.
See you.
Where are you with us today?
Yes, sir. How are you?
Oh, knee deep in alligators, great white sharks, grizzly bears. Talk to me about Riley Hansen, please.
Judge, I'm in contact with her. I'm happy to chat with whomever, but we will probably not be accepting any deals.
Let's do this. Let me ask the state to send you an offer, and I'm just going to reset this for a week. But after you receive the offer, if you don't like it, just tell Pat, set it for jury trial. Will that work?
That will work, Judge. Thank you very much.
All right. Good to go. You got anybody else today?
No, sir. That's it.
You're out of here. Thank you.
Thank you. Y'all have a good day.
Paul Telementes, are you with
Yes,
us?
sir. How are you today? I'm here.
Talking about Ricardo Rodriguez.
We're in contact with Mr. Rodriguez. We got an offer already from Mr. Maru, which our first offer we rejected. I've sent a counter offer. I'd like to see if maybe he could review that and maybe make me another offer, Your Honor.
Let's reset for a week for y'all to wrestle. Will that work?
That'll work, Your Honor.
Yeah. And is that the only one you've got today, Paul?
That's it, Judge. We're good.
We'll see you in a week, maybe. Thanks.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Jay Norton, are you with us today?
Judge Patrick Ballantyne here from Mr. Norton.
Okay, talk to me about Roxanne Monroe, please.
Roxanne Monroe, we need an offer on her.
All right. State, if you would, please send an offer on Ms. Monroe to Jay Norton's office, and we'll reset it for a week for y'all to get that, and then let us know what you want to do. Will that work?
That'll work. I also have Amanda Clayton today.
Is that under Jay or under who? Under your name?
I think it's under Jay. It's a firm case. I'm not sure.
No, I don't think so. It might have been reset, but I don't remember that one. Clayton.
657233. I think it was just an arraignment, so it might have gotten reset.
It might have gotten reset.
I see.
DWI?
Yes, ma'am.
Reset?
I have it on the docket, Pat.
Do you have it on the docket? Okay. Amanda
Clayton.
Clayton.
Unless I was looking at an older docket.
Yes, it's under Jason Goss, Your Honor. Jason Goss.
You found it or what?
Yes, Jason Goss has two of them, Your Honor.
Jason has it. Jason with us today?
I'm here for Jason.
Oh, you're here for Jason. Okay. Let's find that one then. Stand by. Okay, I've got a Amanda Clayton. Is that what you were talking about?
That's right, Judge.
And y'all are in contact with her, apparently, correct?
We are. The ALR is set July 1st. We're hoping to push your setting out a little beyond that.
Well, let's talk about, have you received an offer from the state yet?
We have not. We'd welcome
State,
that.
please send an offer on Miss Clayton to Jason Goss' office, and we'll reset it for a week for y'all to get the offer and go from there. Will that work?
That'll work, Judge. Thank you.
All right, thanks. You got anybody else or is that it? No,
That's
Jason's got another one on an Anthony Iskro. Is that you?
It may be yes. I didn't realize that was.
Yes.
He's got I've been meaning to text a message to Jason on it and state Mr. Iskro's got a violation report from I think last week that he did not report to pretrial services.
Exactly.
So let's talk to Mr. Goss on that and we'll figure out what we're going to do. As long as he reports to pretrial, we're all happy. So if you would just let Jason know if you see him before I get a chance to get to him.
I'll text him right now, Judge. Thank you.
Pretrial and we'll be happy with him.
Will do.
All right, thanks. You're out of here. All right, let me get back to my initial. Catherine Valenzuela, talk to me about Pablo Monreal.
Your Honor, this is our first sitting. I would like to, I'm in contact with the client. I was wondering if he would be a candidate for the Veterans Treatment Program, and if I could get an.
Has he contacted anybody in the VTC yet?
I have not, Your Honor.
Chris, are you on with us today?
Yes,
I'm here. Give Catherine contact information so her client, Mr. Monreal, can contact you as soon as possible.
No problem. Ma'am, if you can write my phone number down.
Okay.
210-425-0617 and have him reach out and we'll do a pre-screening.
Okay, that'd be great. Thank you.
Catherine, on him, we're going to reset for a week with the understanding, once he contacts the VTC and they say he's eligible, then we're going to reset you for 30 days to let all that process go through, okay?
Okay.
So he's good on that. Talk to me about Christopher Belt, please.
My office sent an email. We're still to see if there's any additional discovery, and we do not have an offer.
Okay, do you know what discovery you're missing? This is a criminal trespass case?
There's some videos, Your Honor.
A video on a criminal trespass case? That's amazing. Dave, is there a video on this case?
I imagine there's body worn camera, Judge. At least.
Yes.
Okay, I got you. Have you received an offer yet, Catherine?
No, I haven't.
Dave, would you confirm there's a video and get it to Catherine as soon as possible, and also send them an offer, and we'll reset for a week for all that to happen. Will that work?
Yes, Judge.
Okay, Catherine?
Okay, thank you, Your Honor. Maybe excused?
Unless you got somebody else you want to talk about, you're good. Thanks.
No, I'm good. All right, thank you.
Okay. Alberto Chenis, are you with us today?
I haven't checked in yet.
Mark Hood, are you with us today?
Judge, I'm here for Mr. LaHood. I have an offer from the state. I'm still gathering evidence and mitigating circumstances from my client that I need to turn into the state judge. I could get a 2-week reset on this, possibly.
Have you received an offer yet, did you say?
Yes, Judge.
Are you missing discovery, or what is slowing you down?
No, it's more mitigating stuff on my client's end.
How long is it going to take you to figure out whether y'all want to work a deal or y'all want a jury trial?
Probably 2 weeks, Your Honor.
No sweat. Let's do that.
Thank you.
And you got anybody else today?
No, that's it, Judge.
All right. Thanks for your help.
Take care. Bye-bye.
Abel Dominguez.
Present, Your Honor.
Talk to me about Roberta Ruiz, please.
I am waiting for a plea offer from the state.
All right. And you are in contact with her, apparently, correct?
I do have telephone numbers and email address, yes.
All right, perfect. State, if you please fire off an offer to Mr. Dominguez on Mr. Ruiz. Let's reset for a week for you to get that and let us know what you want to do. Will that work?
That's fine, Your Honor. May I be excused?
Yeah, that's the only one you got. Thanks, Abel.
Thank you.
Robbie Ward, talk to me.
Your Honor, that's been reset 30 days. She was in.
Okay. Got it. Tony Hernandez, are you with us today?
I am, Judge.
Talk to me about Nancy Moir, M-O-I-R, please.
We have an offer, Judge. There's one condition that we're trying to figure out what it is, and Alexis and I are going to work on figuring what that is. It's a catch snitch program, Judge. We don't know what that is.
I'll give you a week. Y'all can talk and figure it out. Will that work?
We will, Judge. I'll get a hold of probation.
All right. That's the only case I've got for you today, I think, correct?
Yes. I believe so, Judge.
You're out of here. Thanks.
Thank you, Judge.
Gammon, talk to me.
Good morning, Judge. Good afternoon, Judge. Once again, I'm a total disappointment to the state. I have not spoken to them. However, my best excuse is I was in the hospital half of the weekend, and I'm trying to get a reparative surgery in the next couple of days.
Let me back up a minute, Gammon, and I'm sorry your voice is the way it is, but are you in contact with Mr. Matascal? Is that correct?
Yes, Your Honor. He's on screen right now.
And have you, okay, great. Have you received an offer from the state, did you say, or not?
No, Your Honor. But it's, like I said, it's my fault.
All right, well, they'll send you an offer at this point. Let's reset for a week.
Can I have a little more than a week, Your Honor, if I have surgery on Thursday or Friday?
He's going to have surgery, Your Honor.
2 weeks, Gammon, will that work?
If that's what you say, that's what I'll do.
If you need more, I'll give you more.
Yeah, I think, Your Honor, if he's going to have surgery possible this Thursday,
about 30 days.
3 weeks to 4 weeks.
About 30 days, Gammon.
Yeah.
That would be marvelous, Your Honor.
Hey, did you contact Walt Disney, like I told you, to see if they might need anybody that can do some voices on some of their movies and stuff?
I did, Your Honor, but you know, everybody's so desperate for a job now, at least in that area, that I don't think I've got it.
All right. Take care of yourself, Gammon. Thanks.
Thank you, Judge. You all have a safe, healthy, and beautiful day, all right?
Appreciate it.
Thank you. Mr. Matascal, you can leave.
Take care. George Charman, please.
I'm here, Judge. This is an arraignment setting. We're in discovery mode on her.
Is this on Catarina Fuentes?
Yeah, it's an arraignment setting.
What discovery have you not received at this time?
I don't have really anything yet. I just got on the case.
Do we need to reset like 30 days for you to get discovery, or is this going to be months away? Kind of
No, I just right now, 30 days is fine.
Let's do that. And we're good on that one. You got anybody else with us today?
No, sir.
All right. Cut you loose. Thank you.
Thank you.
Let's talk about Jeffrey Martinez. I see you out there lurking.
Hello, Your Honor.
Talk to me about Michelle Garcia, please.
I have contact with the Your Honor, not received an offer.
State, can you fire off an offer for Michelle Garcia to Jeff Martinez?
Yes, Judge.
And we'll reset for a week for you to get that. Okey doke.
Sounds great.
You got anybody else with us today, Jeff?
No, Your Honor, that's all.
All right, you're out of here. Thanks. John Winter, long time no see.
Hello, Judge.
Talk to me about Edward Ulate, or Ulate, please.
Yeah, so I'm in contact with him. I do need an offer on him, though.
Okay, state, please send an offer to Mr. Winter on Mr. Ulate. Am I pronouncing that correct, John, or do you know?
Ulate.
Oh, Ulate. That's even better. All right. State, please send an offer to John Winter on Mr. Ulate, and we'll reset for a week for him to get that. All good?
Yes, Judge.
You got anybody else today, John, or is that it?
That's it.
All right. You're out of here. Thank you.
I don't know.
Thank you.
Raymond Aleman, are you with us today? Raimundo.
Yes, Judge.
Talk to me about Catherine May, please.
Okay, I'm waiting for an offer. And she should be here on video.
All right. State, please fire off an offer to Mr. Aleman, reference Catherine May, and we'll reset for a week for you to be able to get that and look at it, okay?
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Thanks. Jason Goss, we talked about, is not here today. Jonathan Reitmeyer, are you with us today?
Hi, Judge. How are you?
Thanks. Talk to me about, looks like Serafin Reyes Villegas.
Right, Judge, this is an arraignment. We've just downloaded discovery, but it's a blood case, so we'll be requesting some blood discovery on this matter.
Okay. State, do you have any feel for how long blood's going to take to get?
Are you talking about the detailed blood discovery or just the lab?
The details.
Oh, then that, once the order's signed, I believe it takes 60 days, Judge.
Wow, he's that way. Have we signed the order yet, John?
No, sir. We were just on the case. I just got the discovery. We're going to file the motion tomorrow.
Okay. Let's do this. I'm going to reset it for a week just to keep it on my radar. As soon as your motion's filed, contact Pat or me and let us know so I can make sure I sign it, and then we'll reset it for 60 days, okay?
Will do, Judge.
All right. Got anybody else, or is that it?
That's it, sir. Thank you.
Thanks for your help. Mike Bellevue, talk to me.
I am here, Judge. I have a few cases today. I think Kendrick Richardson is the first one on.
Correct.
I do need an offer on him. I
You
do.
are in contact with him, correct?
I do have contact with him.
All right. State, please fire up an offer to Mr. Bellevue on Mr. Richardson, and we'll reset that one for a week to get the offer to you.
All right.
And the next one I got for you is a Gerlin Sloan, it looks like.
I have had contact with him in the past. I have not tried calling in the last week. I do need an offer on that one as well.
All right, let's reset that one for a week. Try to contact him if you would, just to make me feel warm and fuzzy. We know where he is.
I will.
And we'll reset that one a week. And I've got a Mark Maldonado.
I did receive an offer on that one this morning. I do have contact with him. I do need to see if the state can get any videos from the Home Depot where this was involved.
Dave, are there any videos on this case that you're aware of at this time?
I'll check, Judge.
Let's reset a week to check on the videos. All good?
All right.
And that's all I have for you, I think.
That's it, Judge.
Thanks, Mike. You're out of here.
Thank you.
Paula Perez, are you with us?
She was, Your Honor.
Well, if she comes back, we'll grab her. Megan Enriquez, are you with us?
Yes, Judge. Hi. I do have contact with my client, Mr. Joshua Perez. I just need an offer from the state.
Great. Alexis, if you please fire up an offer on Mr. Joshua Perez to Ms. Enriquez. Let's reset for a week for her to get that. All good?
Yes, Judge.
All right.
Great.
Okay.
Thank you.
And you're out of here. Thanks. Unless you get
Thank
somebody
you.
else.
I'm present, Your Honor. I apologize.
Victor Gomez, are you with us today?
Yes, Judge. Afternoon.
Talk to me about.
I have Mr. Jack Munoz. I am in contact with him, Judge. I need an offer. I have text with Nicholas. I had filed some motions to alter the amendment conditions of probation. Apparently, I had received them, but it went through my junk mail. So I need to have a setting for that, Judge, and I need an offer as well.
I don't remember this one going by for motion to modify conditions.
Angela, what do I have tomorrow?
We can do it tomorrow afternoon.
When were the motions filed to modify his conditions of bond?
When was it filed? Back in April. Again, I had received the notice from Pat, but it went through my junk mail, so it got missed.
Okay, well, I'll track it down.
He's on a GPS full bond. Yeah, he's on GPS home arrest, and he needs to get back to work. But we can talk about that on setting.
All right, I'll look at that today. And who else do you have?
And I need just Zach. He has 3 cases, and I just need an offer from Nicholas.
Gotcha. Okay, so we need an offer on all 3 cases for Zach Paul Munoz Lopez, it looks like.
That is correct, Judge.
Judge, can you?
Yep.
Just to give you a heads up, this was the case that we had actually set for a hearing.
Yes.
And it never went.
Correct.
They were a no-show to the hearing that day. I'm not sure if you recall that. It was 2 or 3 weeks.
By bond condition?
Yes, Judge.
It was, as I explained, Judge, it went through my junk mail. For some reason, I've been having issues with my computer ever since I put a new router in here. But that's the reason we didn't attend, because I didn't get notice.
When was the hearing set, in April or in May?
I want to say May.
Yeah, I want to say sometime in May, Your Honor. I'd have to double check, but.
All right, well, let's reset his hearing and we'll find all the documents.
Any idea how soon you want to do that?
When do we have time? How many cases we have set this Thursday?
Let me see my calendar for tomorrow.
We have 21 cases on Thursday.
That's not going to work.
No, please.
Take down Mr. Gomez's contact information, and you and I need to talk about our schedules, and let's get back to him, but it won't take very long.
Okay.
Sure.
I remember there was some sort of aggravated factor that I was looking at. I don't remember.
Mr. Gomez, just email me the correct information, please.
I will, but I'm going to check both files this time.
Okay.
You did the right thing. You sent it to me, but it just went to the wrong
What
file.
I will do is, as soon as I send it, I'll call you and let's see if it pops up.
Okay, Pat, we'll do it. I'm going to do that right now. Thank you.
Victor, you got anybody else today, or is that it?
That's it, Judge. I just have.
Right. We'll get back to you on your.
Your Honor, Paula Perez came back on, Your Honor. She was on, and then it looked like she was kicked off.
All right, we'll go back to her.
Yes. Judge, before I leave.
Yes, Judge.
I think you're out there.
Judge, before I leave, Mr. Munoz, I need an offer, so can we just get reset either way for an offer? And if I can have the hearing, it depends on the offer, what are we gonna get? Because
Of course.
we can go from there.
It's gonna get you an offer in the next week. That be okay?
Okay. Next week is good, Judge.
And we're gonna reset for next Tuesday at 2 for at least to give time just to get for you to get the offer and for us to get back to you and give you a time for have a hearing.
Got it.
All right.
Sounds good. Thank you, Judge. Have a good day.
Valerie Headland, are you with us? You were here earlier. I saw you.
She was.
Where'd you go?
Well, she may,
I am. Sorry.
Stuart Hamilton, please.
Yes, sir. I do have an offer from Alexis, but I have one little issue. So could I get a short reset just to clarify one issue with the offer? And I'll convey that to my client.
Is a week long enough?
Yes, I think so.
Let's do that. And you are in contact with him, correct?
Yes, sir. I think he's on here, but I don't see that he's named his device properly.
Okay, not a problem. Let's reset that one for a week and you can go wrestle with the state on whatever it is you need.
Okay.
All right,
Thank you.
And let me back up and see who came on here. All right, Pat, I apologize. Who was the lady that came back on that I missed the first
Paula
one?
Perez, Your Honor.
Judge Paula Perez for
All right.
Stephen
I'll
Aguien.
find you here.
Now, she was on when you called, but she might have been doing something else, Your Honor. She was on.
Got it. Stephen Aguillen, would that be correct?
Aguien?
Yeah.
Yes, Judge.
Are you in contact with Mr. Aguillen?
I am, Judge.
And have you received an offer yet?
I have not. I need an offer as well as a copy of the video, Coban or body cam, whatever there
Is
is.
the video on the online for Ms. Perez to get yet? Do we know?
Judge, if it's not there now, I'll request it today.
All right, we'll fire off an offer and confirm that the video is available for her, and let's reset it for a week. Keep everybody on my radar. Okay with you, Paula?
Okay. Yes. Thank
Do
you,
you have
Judge.
anybody else today, or is that it?
That's it.
That's it.
Okay, thanks for your help.
Thank you.
And let's see who else we got here. Cornelius Cox, are you with us today?
Yes, sir. Reporting to
Jennifer Martinez.
Jennifer, I think it's a criminal trespass, Judge. I like an offer.
Okay, state fire him off an offer for Cornelius, and let's reset for a week for you to get the offer and let us know what you want to do. Would that work?
That'll work, Judge. Thanks
And
a lot.
anybody else today, or is that it?
That's it. You're a great
Your
American,
Honor,
Judge.
you
Great
missed
American.
Andrew Priestley.
I got it. Andrew Priestley with us today.
I'm here, Judge.
Please talk to me about, looks like Sam Christopher Cox.
I have contact with him. We need an offer.
All right. State, please fire off an offer for the heinous offense of reckless driving for Mr. Priest.
Yes, Judge.
And we'll reset for a week. All good, Andrew?
All good. I think I have the next two on your docket, Judge, but I believe they've already been reset.
They have been reset, Mr. Priest.
Thank you.
Thanks, you're out of here. Milton Butler, are you with us today?
Yes, I have a Jaime Escobedo. It's
Correct.
two
Correct.
cases.
Are you?
I have had no contact with him. The number that I was given on the appointment sheet, I called it, and the recording said that either been disconnected or is no longer in service. And he has not attempted to call me.
I'm going to have to issue an FTA warrant on him, and when I do, if we find him, we'll let you know immediately. If you find him, let me know, and I'll pull the warrant back.
All right,
And do you have anybody else today, or is that it?
that's it.
All right, thanks for your help. You're out of here.
Yep.
Lesniak, are you with us today? Sharon Thorne, are you with us today?
I am, Your Honor.
Talk to me about, looks like Marcus Cerda.
Marcus Stewart, I need an offer. I sent an email to Nicholas and I haven't heard anything. So I need an offer.
State, one of you guys fire an offer off on Mr. Cerda for Ms. Thorne, and we'll reset for a week for her to get it.
Thank you, Your Honor. Maybe.
Anybody else, Sharon, or is that it?
That's all. May I be excused?
Thanks for your help.
Yes.
Will, for you today. Will,
Hi, Judge.
there we are. Talk to me about Stephanie Maldonado, please.
Judge, I just made contact with Miss Maldonado, so I just need to reach out and get an offer for her now.
All right, State, fire off an offer, if you would, on Miss Maldonado for Mr. Brooks, and we'll reset for a week for everybody to get the offer and figure out what they want to do.
Thank you, Judge.
And you got anybody else, or is that it today?
That's it, Judge.
Okay. Joanne Eco. Not yet. Okay.
I'm here, Judge. I'm here.
Always with us. All right. Talk to me about Javier Caballero, por favor.
I have contact with him, Judge. I think we're going to need a trial setting.
All right. Pat, reset that for a jury trial setting, and if something changes, just let Pat know.
All right. Thank you, Judge. May I be excused?
I'll send that first thing tomorrow morning.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Have we got any attorneys here from Dunham and Jones?
For who?
This was originally for Austin Hagee, but I think
all of Austin Hagees have been reset.
I understand, but it's a law firm that represents him. I want to know if there are any other attorneys here from that law firm, Dunham and Jones. All right, guess not. Okay, Juan Hernandez, are you with us?
Good afternoon, Judge. I am, and I've been in contact with Mr. Keller. We were given an offer by Alexis, and he needs a little bit of time to digest it, though. Would you be willing to extend us a 2-week reset, Judge? Because next week the whole world is coming crashing upon me.
Reset that one for 2 weeks, and we'll see you then, and you can let us know what you want to do. If you find out what you want to do earlier than 2 weeks, just let Pat know.
Will do. Thank you so much, guys.
You bet. Bye-bye. Sean Farmer. No, Sean. Jonathan Perez.
Right here, Judge.
Talk to me about David Flores, please.
David Flores, I just got the information, Judge, for Chris, for the VTC. I'm going to have him reach out. I do have another one, Judge. I got.
Are you in contact with David?
Yes, Your Honor.
And have you received an offer yet?
No, not yet.
Hey, would you send an offer on David Flores to Mr. Perez? And we'll reset for a week on that one to give you all time to figure that out, okay?
All right, thanks, Judge.
And then you've also got a Derek Zach, Z-A-C-H.
Yes, Judge. I'm in contact, and I do have an offer from the state. I just need to relay that offer to my client, Judge.
All right, can we reset that one for a week to give you time to do that?
That's perfect.
All right, thanks for your help.
Thank you.
Ray Martinez. Not yet.
Ray's there. She's coming. She's coming. Yay!
You felt the wind rushing.
I did. I felt it.
Victoria, talk to me about Jose Salazar, please.
Yes, Your Honor. I have good contact with him. We've emailed the state for 911 call and some more video.
So y'all gonna set up as a plea? Is that what you're saying?
No, Your Honor.
No.
We'll come back in a week if you need us to.
Oh, all right. Reset for a week. Got it. And you say you have received an offer on Mr. Salazar?
No.
State, would you fire them off an offer? Whether they'll take it or not is up to them.
Yes, sir. The .08.
And talk to me about Lida Parker, please.
Your Honor, on Ms. Parker, we have received an offer, but there is no blood discovery. So that one will be, we request a longer reset because it'll be DPS.
Oh boy. State, you got a feel for how long that's gonna take?
Judge, I have breath results on this one, not blood.
Ah, so you already have it?
I saw it. I saw it on, it was a .122.
Victoria, is that possible? It's a breath test and not a blood test?
It may be, Your Honor. I know that I saw on the report, but I'll email Ms. Alexis on it. We're not going to take the offer that we've been given anyway.
Let's take a week for you to get the cards on the table and find out whether it's breath or blood, and we'll go from there, okay?
Okay, so we'll be back on the same day for both?
Yeah, exactly.
Okay.
Next Tuesday at 2.
Yes, Your Honor. Thank you.
Unless the Zoom breaks again.
Yes, I'm sorry.
Bill Ray, hi, thanks. Bernie, I see you're out there somewhere.
Yes, sir. I'm here on Michael Cepeda. We have received an offer from the state. At this time, we're in need of a trial, but I am putting together some mitigation information that I think will probably change the offer. So it's not a hopeless cause yet.
He wants to set it for a jury trial, and then in the interim between now and 2 years from now, or whenever the jury trial goes down, you can work. If you can work it out with the state, that's great. Would that be something that would work for you?
That will do it, Judge.
All right, let's do that. Set it for a jury trial, and if y'all resolve it sooner, let us know.
Okay, thank you, Judge.
Got anybody else? That's it?
No, sir. Yes.
Hey, John. Hey,
I got John Perez again. John Perez still with us? We let him go. I've got a Philip Perez. John,
Yeah, Judge, I'm here.
He's here.
John's still here?
I'm here, Judge. Oh, no, it's so there's Jonathan.
The other one was Jonathan. This is
Oh, I'm sorry. Okay, John G. Perez Jr. That's what I'm
for
looking at.
AK Hernandez.
I'm the better looking one, Judge.
Great. That'll make it much easier on me next time. Talk to me about Philip Perez, please.
Yes, Judge Philip Perez, we just got an offer on that one today. If we can get a 2-week reset so I can confer with my clients and come back for a plea.
Reset for a week for you to accept the offer, and if you decide you're going to do that, just let Pat know, and she'll tell you what our plea dockets are.
That'll work, Judge.
All right, thanks.
Thank you.
Don Brown,
I'm here, Your Honor.
talk to me about Victor Koretsky. Gosh, that name sounds prominent in my little mind.
Uh-huh.
We received an offer. We discussed it with our client. Like I mentioned, we're going to be filing a motion to suppress on this one.
An answer for me, but it's cool. Because I do take off.
Okay, let's just reset Mr. Koretsky for a jury trial, because this has been on again, off again stuff on the pretrial matters. But obviously, you're at this point in time, you're nowhere near working out an agreement. Would you agree?
At this point, I would agree.
Pat, instead of a jury trial, and then if they're later, if they can work it out, that's great, and let you know. And if they can't work it out, then you're on our list.
I'll send him the date tomorrow morning.
Are we still having pretrial problems? I can't remember where we left it.
I don't remember either, but I remember him.
Are there any warrants out for Mr. Koretsky currently?
I don't see that they did, Your Honor. I think
on Scram, didn't we put him on Scram, and that pretty much resolved all the problem?
I believe so.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, for any other issues, let me know. In the meantime, we're just going to set you for a jury trial, okay?
Sounds good, Your Honor. Thank you.
All right, appreciate it. Elizabeth Settle, I see Beth's glamour shot. That's beautiful. It's all good.
Thank you. Now here's the real life me. So
talk to me about Gregorio Herrera, please.
Okay, Judge, I just got an offer today on him. I've spoken to him. We're very close on an agreement, but there's a couple issues I'm still trying to talk to Nicholas about.
How much time you need to work it out?
Oh, I'll get the answer. A week would be fine.
All right. We'll reset that one for a week. No problem. Got anybody else today?
No, that's it.
That's it. You're out of here. Thanks.
Thanks.
Paul Acevedo, I see you lurking.
Judge, I need an offer. If you could reset me for a week or two to get an offer from the state. I already got the blood results back.
Reset 1 week. So state, fire an offer off on Miss Desiree Howell for Mr. Acevedo, and then he can let us know what he wants to do.
Thank you, Judge.
Thanks. Andrea Casanas, are you with us? Maybe not.
Yes, I am. I am here.
There you are. Talk to me about Martin Casares, please.
So I did reach out to Nicholas via email to request offer, but I haven't received one yet.
And you say you have or have not received an offer yet?
I have not.
All right.
I didn't get an email. I didn't get an email from you, and I tried looking through to find your email in the directory, and your email is also not in the directory.
Okay, I'll send it to you via direct message here on Zoom. Is that right?
Okay, that's perfect. That's perfect.
And did you receive it?
1 second.
I tried the other ADA listed on there, but that one got returned to me. So yours
Yeah,
was
I
the
got
only
it.
email I could find. Okay, great.
You did get it. Okay.
I didn't get it, Judge.
Is a week going to give you enough time, Nick, to fire an offer off to Andrea?
For sure, Judge.
Okay with you, Andrea?
Yes. Thank you very much.
Rest that for a week and see what's going on. Thank you.
Thank you.
Ashley, are you with us today? Not yet. Isidro Montoya Jr., are you with us today?
Good afternoon, Your Honor.
I'm here on Raymond Torres. I'm in contact with my client and I just need an offer.
Okay, State, we need an offer on Mr. Torres.
I emailed it today, Judge.
Okay, and will a week give everybody enough time to do that?
Yes, Your Honor. That'll be fine, Judge.
Alexis, is that enough time for you?
Yes, Judge.
All right. Good deal. We'll see you in a week.
Thank you, Your Honor. May I be excused?
Yeah. Robert Wilson, talk to me.
Oh, Your Honor, I have been in contact with my client. He probably is on this thing. I haven't gotten discovery yet, but I'm sure the state will give me an offer as soon as I look at their discovery.
Do this. We're going to reset for a week, and during that time frame, if there's discovery you have not received, let the state know. And in the meantime, they'll be sending you an offer on this case. Will that work?
Yes, sir.
Which defendant is this, Judge?
Jeremy Barnes.
Oh, okay.
We just got the LR done today.
Alexis, I saw online or on JD, you had already put something together for this, an offer. So I'm not sure if you just want to forward it to him or not.
Oh, okay.
Do you think the discovery will be out soon?
Is it video?
Yes.
SAPD is taking their sweet time uploading any kind of video, so.
Your Honor, can you give us 2 weeks? I'm on vacation the rest of this week.
Let me think. Okay, 2 weeks.
Thank you, sir.
Be safe.
Thank you, Alexis.
See you in 2 weeks. We got Jody Sawyer. Looks like we got Terry here for Jody. Is that correct?
Yes, Judge, I'm here for Jody on Curtis Saver. I conferred with Nick earlier by email. He is requesting the videos from Live Oak, so if I could get a reset for discovery.
How long will it take to get the videos, Nick?
Same answers before, Judge. I mean,
That's the way of knowing. Let's go through on this one, Terry, because I know how those little PDs work and they don't work. So there you go. Are you here for Ashley also, Terry?
I am.
We had one previously on Ashley. Look.
Oh, I'm sorry. I must have not heard you, Judge. I apologize.
I got one on a Cody Eastridge.
Yes, Judge, he's got his VTC application has already been submitted. We're just waiting.
Perfect. Let's reset for 30 days on that one and let the VTC app percolate.
Okay.
And that's all I know of that you have. Do you have anybody else that you know of?
That's it. That's it.
No, that was it, Judge. But when do you want me back on Curtis Saver?
Weeks, I thought he said.
2 weeks. I get 2 weeks because I think it's going to take the state a long time to get this video if they get it at all.
From Live Oak, yeah, it generally takes a little longer. Okay, thank you, Judge.
All right, thanks. And Bill Davison, are you with us today? How about John Robinson?
I'm present, Your Honor.
Talk to me about Cedric Sanchez, please.
I've gotten an offer from the state. I'd like to request a 1 week reset to confer with the client.
No problem. But obviously you are in contact with him, correct?
Yes, sir.
All right, all good. Let's reset for a week. Thanks.
Thank you. Have a good day.
Joe Stenberg, I see you. Talk to me about Douglas Cupp, CUPP.
He just,
He's there.
he was there.
He'll have to come back. All right.
Yeah.
Here's what it is. Cecil Bain,
Yes, Your Honor.
you're up. Talk to me about Virginia Valdez, please.
I would like to, but I don't have anything to talk to you about.
Have you in contact with her at all?
No, Your Honor.
All right. Well, we're going to have to do bad things to her. And if we find her, we'll let you know. And if you find her, let us know and we'll recall all the bad things.
Certainly. I do have another case, Judge.
Isabella Sanchez, it looks like.
Yes. She may be present, and I'd like to discuss an offer with Alexis.
We're almost near the end of our docket. If you guys want to hang around, I think we'll have time for you to do that. If you want to wait, otherwise I'll give you another week to do that and get up with her at your leisure.
My client is present, and Alexis looks like she's ready and willing.
Well, just give me a few more minutes to get rid of the rest of these folks and you guys can chat, okay?
Yes.
All right. Andreas Campion.
Afternoon, Your Honor.
Talk to me about Marbella Lopez Macedas.
The state has tendered an offer and I have relayed that to my client and I'm just in the process of getting, I believe she's going to accept the offer. I just have to get her email address and get that to Pat. And then I guess what is a good day for the court?
It's June 10th at 2. And just email me the email address and I'll start sending paperwork.
Okay, will do.
All right, I'll let you guys handle that one. You got anybody else today, Andres, or is that it?
That is it, Your Honor.
All right, thanks. You're out of here.
All right, thank you.
Jesse Sepulveda, are you with us today?
I don't believe so.
Cesar Montalvo, are you with us today?
I don't believe so, Your Honor.
Kyle Ernst, are you with us today?
Your Honor, Mr. Ernst was supposedly in another county. He was going to start at 1:30. He said if he finished, he would check in. If not, he has been in contact with his client. That's all he told me.
Okay, State, if you haven't fired an offer off to Mr. Ernst on Miss Sandra Maria Jasso, 656802, would you do so this week, please?
Yes, Judge, I've already emailed it.
All right, great, thanks. Okay, Ramon Cervantes,
Nope.
Ray Vale.
No, Your Honor, he emailed me in my office. I don't know what he said, so he may have called about something or told.
Well, it's okay. Mary Petracek.
Present, Judge.
June Eileen De Leon.
Yes, Judge. She is here present. I have an offer from the state. We're ready to move forward on a plea. I don't know if you wanted to do that today or no. I'm getting a no shaking.
The 10th at 2 o'clock, just send me the email address.
You said the 10th at 2 o'clock?
2 o'clock.
I may or may not be in a jury trial, so we'll see.
Okay, if you get closer and it looks like it is, let me know and we'll set something up.
Okay.
Okay.
If you need to add one or two extras on our already overcrowded docket on Thursday.
Thank you, Mary. I'll send you a different one. Okay. Maybe Wednesday the 9th.
I'm down. Let's do it.
All right. We'll do that then.
Thank you.
Okay.
I'm present, Your Honor. I'm here for Eden Vergara. We have good contact with him. And we are going to just set it for trial. Hopefully we can work it out in the meantime, but for now we do need to set it for trial.
An offer at all from the state?
Yes, we did get an offer from the state, Your Honor.
We set that for a jury trial. That's Eden Vergara, Pat, 631-174.
I'll send that in the morning with all the other trials.
Y'all work it out. In the meantime, let us know.
Thank you, Your Honor. Have a great day.
All right, Your Honor, we've got Mr. Orta is in. He's on the second, he was in the second page.
I got him.
Mr.
Cody Lane Giddens. Mr. Orta, are you in contact with Mr. Giddens?
Yes, Your Honor.
And have you received an offer from the state yet?
I had asked the state if there was another piece of video, because the one they gave me, all it shows is the field sobriety test. I don't know if they have another one where they claim he was driving at 100 miles an hour. So that's what I'm looking for. And I've also asked him to review the case again. Hopefully we can get another offer.
There's two cases, isn't there, Mr.?
Yes, one is an unlawful carry.
Okay.
State, if you would check on those videos for Mr. Orta, let's just reset him for a week to confirm what evidence there is, and then y'all can wrestle over whatever your last plea bargain offer was. Will that work, Mr. Orta?
Yes, Your Honor.
And does that give you enough time, Alexis, to figure that out?
Yes, Judge.
All right, then we'll see you in a week. Thank you. And
Thank you,
who
Judge.
else?
May I be excused?
You bet. Thank you.
Your Honor, I've heard.
It's okay. I'm looking to see who's here that I may have missed before. Joe Stenberg, I think, showed back up. He was here. Gone, and he's back.
Howdy.
Let me find you here.
Mr. Cupp is my client, CUPP.
Correct.
Alexis needs more time to confer with somebody to get me an offer. A gang unit person.
Gotcha. Alexis, how much time you need on Mr. Cupp, C-U-P-P?
Just another week, Judge.
All right. Okay with you, Joe?
Yes, sir.
1 week. We'll see you next week.
Yes, sir. Bye-bye.
And who else is here?
Oh, Thomas Hill, I lost you and then I had to come back on. I apologize.
Javier, let me see if I can find you.
Yes, Your Honor. Good afternoon. I think we're on page 4. I'm substituting for Shannon Locke for Michael Casanova.
Get back up here. Is it going to be under your name?
No. Shannon Locke.
Oh, it's under Shannon's name. Okay, stand by. Still looking.
I thought it was on page 4, but
I didn't find it on page 4.
No.
Sorry.
I saw Shannon on screen earlier, but I never saw his case go by.
And I don't see it. It might have been reset, maybe.
He has a felony pending in another
Yeah,
case.
it was probably reset because of the felony. I'll
Okay.
double check on that because I don't see his name.
Okay. It may also be that we were trying to approach on an occupation license that we e-filed as well as a motion to modify conditions of bond.
Okay, and that I don't remember seeing. If you can either email it to me again so I can look for it and see if I can send it to the judge.
Okay, we'll do.
Thank you, because I do not see him on the docket.
Okay. Can we be excused, or can I be excused?
Thanks for your help.
You're welcome.
All right, I'm still looking for who is back now that we missed before. Anybody?
I'm back.
I got Alberto Charas with us today. Oh, I see Alma back.
Yeah, Alma was back. She was going to.
Do we have another case for Alma that we missed last time?
Yes, Morris.
Oh, you were looking on that for that one. Okay, I got you. Hang on.
Okay, Judge, on Josiah Morris, the number that I was given by pretrial services is no good.
Okay.
So I have no way of reaching him.
So he's an FTA.
Okay, Alma, we're gonna have to issue an FTA warrant, and if you find him before we do, let us know. We'll pull it back.
Okay, thank you, Judge.
Did you find out anything about Tyrone Black?
We
we reset it already.
That one, fine. All right, thanks, Alma.
Thank you.
Okay, I do not see Mr. Hilly on the.
Yes. I apologize. I was in and then I had to I lost you guys and I came back and I apologize for that.
No. My thing is that I don't see you on the docket.
Oh, I thought I had Amanda Torres. I thought.
No.
Am I confused again?
We're all confused, Mr. Hilly.
Amanda Torres was on last week.
609.
It was on last week's, but I don't remember
044
with it.
I can pull up my notes real quick.
See if you can pull up your notes. Something must have happened with Amanda Torres. I can look at last week's and check that, but you're not on. So okay.
I apologize. Everybody. Have a good day.
No.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Okay. Let's see who else. Donald Wilson. Who are you here for, Mr. Wilson?
I have Reyes Garcia.
Okay.
And I don't know if it's a setting on the actual case or my motion to amend conditions of bond that I filed a couple of weeks ago.
No. I don't have him on the docket. Oh, here he is. No, that's Mr. Wilson. Nope. I don't have you either. I would need to look at my other docket and go and get it.
Well,
We have a Robert Wilson.
Yeah,
that we were
but I
talking-
don't have you either, Mr. Wilson. Can you email me who the person is so I can look and see if that's that motion issue? Because what a hearing was not set for that.
right. No, we talked to the judge and the judge had requested, I guess, a follow-up from pretrial on violations before he decided on it. And so,
Whether hearing or not, okay. If you just email me, I'll double check and see when that person has been reset for.
okay.
Thank you.
And Don, what's your client's name that you have the motion to modify bond conditions on?
Reyes Garcia.
You have
Reyes Garcia.
Yes, it's 643015.
I remember that, Bob. I
It's
remember.
one that the Smart Start was changed to blow 6 times a day, and you were going to look at that. I did get an updated violation report. I guess that spurred a violation report from pretrial. And so I didn't know if that was about.
The standard policy on these guys, when they violate and they're on a Smart Start and they give us a high brack or something and they're on 4 blows a day, which is the minimum, I crank them up to 6. If they show me 30 days a period of time without missing any blows and no other high bracks, I crank them back down to 4. So I don't know where
Right.
he fits all that. But.
Right. Well, in this case, we didn't have any violations until I filed my motion. Then they filed violation reports and they've got a bunch of things, but he's had some technical problems with the machine and it apparently has been replaced twice in the last couple of months. So I don't know if that's going to tell us a lot.
Do you know how long he's been on Smart Start at 6 blows a day?
Since October.
That doesn't make sense. All right. Pat, keep that on your radar so you can remind me to look at it this week and give.
Of course, I will. I understand that Mr. Baines, you want to get in with one of the prosecutors? I think that would be Nick, yours. It's an odd number. Do you want to go into a breakout room at this point?
It's an odd number, but I've been doing it.
Okay. Do you want to go into the breakout room right now?
Yes.
That would be real nice.
Now, the only one that we have left, Your Honor, is John Joseph Garcia, the attorney. I do not also have anything for him. So I'm not sure why he is in.
John, great seeing you. Why are you here?
Oh, no, I just had I had gotten the post that Patricia couldn't get to Zoom, but my client had already put in the application for pretrial diversion.
Yes, yes,
So
and
it should
I
be off
just
the docket
reset it
for a
out.
Okay.
We
Good to see
normally
everyone.
set those for 30 days for the pretrial guys to let us know whether they'll accept them or not.
Awesome. You guys look good. Stay safe.
All right, thank you so much.
You have a good day.
That's it. Mr. Kendricks, I'm looking for yours. Who is your attorney? Can you tell me? You're muted. I can't hear you.
Ray Vale.
Mr. Vale, hold on. Let me see what he emailed me. Hold on. Okay. Your Honor.
Yeah.
Mr. Vale started a trial at 1:30. He asked for a reset for Mr. Kendrick.
Let's give him a reset. Thanks for coming, Mr. Kendricks.
Okay. I will send that reset to your attorney, Mr. Kendricks. Keep in touch with him.
Okay, thank you, Honor. You have a great day.
You're excused. Now I've got an iPhone coming in. I need to see who that is, Your Honor. Case. The iPhone does not have any audio, so I can't find out who this person is. Okay. unmute. Ma'am, may I ask who you are, please? Because we've pretty much finished. All the attorneys have gone. So can I ask who you are, please?
Virginia Valdez.
Who is it? I can't hear you, ma'am.
Yeah, Valdez.
I didn't hear the first name and I'm very sorry. Your name again?
Virginia Valdez.
Oh, Virginia Valdez.
Oh.
Yes.
Okay, well, your attorney is right here. Hold on.
My phone had broke. I just got it fixed like maybe 30 minutes ago. My whole screen shattered, so I didn't get the email in my mail saying that I had court today. That's why I got on here.
No, that's fine. Your attorney had been trying to get a hold of you. So I'm going to put you in a breakout room, Mr. Bain, so you can talk to her and get her information. Okay.
Hold it. No, not yet. Stop.
No.
Hold. I need to speak with the judge about my other case.
Of course you can. And then afterwards.
That'll be great. Yes.
Okay. All righty. The judge is ready. You can talk to him.
On Isabella Sanchez, Your Honor.
Yeah.
Alexis is willing to consider a pretrial diversion, so I would like to ask for a pretrial diversion reset.
No problemo. Just give you a week to get it filed with pretrial. And once you've actually got it filed, we'll give you 30 days. Will that work? That way I keep you on my radar and make sure you file the damn thing.
We're having our 50 family member reunion the next week. So could we do 2 weeks?
Sure.
Okay. Now, do you want to go in there and talk with Ms. Valdez?
I need my client, Ms. Sanchez, is present, so I needed to confer with her first, and then I'll come.
Okay.
Is that good?
Sure.
right.
Let me
Is there a
go back
date
to
on
the
the
other, let me put Ms. Sanchez in there in one with you.
Is there a reset date?
For Ms. Sanchez, it'd be
Yes.
the 5th of June.
Again, I'm sorry, I'm stepping on you.
That's okay. The 15th of June.
That works.
Okay, and now Ms. Sanchez and you can go into breakout room 1, and I'm going to put Ms. Valdez in breakout 2.
Thank you, Alexis. Thank you, Pat.
Okay.
Thank you, Judge.
Hey, Pat, I found my notes on Amanda Torres.
Okay.
DPS is still working on her blood results, so I imagine we set it out further than a week.
I think we set it out further, but I'll double check. I will. Okay, okay. Now, Ms. Valdez, he's going to need to talk to you. So when he comes back, what I'm going to do is put you in a breakout room number 2. Go in there and wait for him. As soon as he's finished with his other client, then he'll go into that room. Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah. Okay. So you should be able